Hello, welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I am so excited that it is fall time. It's actually my favorite season of the year. I just love all the corn mazes and pumpkin patches and hay rides and all that exciting food, apples and pumpkin treats. So wonderful. Well, today I'm going to be celebrating fall desserts. It's part of a collaboration that's hosted by Her Homemaking Heart and Sunny in the Suburbs. A group of us will all be making special fall desserts. When I think about fall, I definitely think about pumpkins, and I found a fun and funky pumpkin recipe for a pumpkin bread that's made with graham cracker crumbs. It's a pumpkin cracker bread. Let's do it. You need an entire box of graham crackers for this. You have to pulse it to a fine powder. I'll be using these cinnamon graham crackers for a little extra flavor. I'll also mix in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Grab a bowl. We need 2 eggs. Add 1 can of pumpkin puree and mix that until well combined. Add the crumbs and mix it together. Wow, this is pretty cool. And let's put that into a loaf pan. And this is going to be baked in a 350-degree oven for about 50 minutes. It looks pretty wonderful. They say that you can cover it with a cream cheese frosting. I'm just gonna have it nude. Okay, I'm having mine with some butter. Very good. I definitely taste the pumpkin. You wouldn't really guess it was made with graham cracker crumbs. It tastes very similar to regular pumpkin bread. And it's delicious. To see more fall desserts, you'll have to check out the playlist in my description. Thank you, Sunny in the Suburbs and Her Homemaking Heart for organizing this collaboration. What happens if you play baseball with a pumpkin? You'll end up with a game of squash.